Morning students. So in this particular lesson we are going to solve some questions from the practice set 1.4. Okay, in the last lecture we have studied the theorem of areas of similar triangles, and by using that particular theorem we are going to solve some questions from this practice set. Now we will start with question number 4. What is the question? A triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. So there are two triangles LMN and PQR. Both the triangles are similar to each other. Okay, then 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. What else is given? That 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay, and the QR value of QR is given as 20. What we have to find? We have to find the value of MN. Okay, so how we will be solving this particular question? First, I will write that 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay, now I will shift this particular term from the RHS to LHS. Okay, and 9 from the LHS to RHS. So what we will get, therefore area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equals to 16 upon 9. Okay, what we have got? 16 upon 9. Let us take this as equation 1. Okay, then as it is given as that area of triangle PQR is similar, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN. Okay, triangle PQR and triangle LMN both are similar to each other. Okay, and this is given to us. So it is from the given. So I can write, therefore area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equals to, we know that if two triangles are similar to each other, then the ratio of their areas is going to equal to the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides. Okay, so I will take one of the corresponding side, that is QR, and the square of it upon, now QR's corresponding side is MN, so I will take MN square. Okay, this is going to be our equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2 we can state that, as we can see that LHS of both the equation is same, we can take the RHS is also same. Therefore from 1 and 2 I can write 16 upon 9 is equal to QR square upon MN square. Okay, now the value of QR is given, that is 20. So 16 upon 9 is equals to 20 square upon MN square. Now 20 square is 400. So 16 equal to 400 into 9 upon MN square. Okay, I have just shifted the place of 9. So I am getting MN square is equals to 400 into 9 upon 16. Okay, now I can write 4 4s are 16 and 4 10s are 400s are 400. So 4 into 100 is 400, so I can take here 100 over here. Okay, so I have got 900 upon 4. So what I have got, mn square is equals to 900 upon 4. Okay, then 4 ones are 4, and here I will get 4 twos are 8. Okay, 1 and 10, so again 4 twos are 8, left 2 and 2 0 20, and I will get 4 fives are 20. So I have got mn square is equals to 225. So what will be mn? Mn is going to be under root of 225. So 225 का square root क्या है? It is 15. So we got mn is equals to 15, and this is the required answer. Okay, so in this way we have solved the question number 4. Okay, so now we will see question number 5. Okay, what is the question? Areas of two similar triangles are 225 centimeter square and 81 centimeter square. Okay, so again there are two triangles and the areas of two triangles are given. Both the triangles are similar to each other. Okay, so area of first triangle is 225 centimeter square. I will consider that triangle is, let area of triangle ABC is equals to 225 centimeter square. Okay, then I will consider that the area of smaller triangle, that is I will take triangle PQR is equals to 81 centimeter square. Both the triangles are similar, so I will take triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this is given to us. Then the side of the smaller triangle, so I have taken PQR as my smaller triangle, one of the side of that triangle, so I will take let QR is equals to what I have taken, 12 centimeter. Okay, then what I have to find? I have to find the length or dimension of the corresponding side in a bigger triangle. So QR का corresponding side क्या है हमारा? What is the corresponding side of QR? It is BC. So we have to find the value of BC now. So we can take, okay, by theorem of areas, by theorem of areas of similar triangles, what I can write? I can write that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to, I can take one of the corresponding sides, so BC square upon QR square. Okay, now the value of area of triangle ABC is given, that is 225 upon, and the area of triangle PQR is given 81. So 225 upon 81 is equals to, we have to find the value of BC, so we will keep this BC square as it is, and the value of QR is given, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, so 12 square. Now we know 225 upon 81 is equals to BC square upon 12 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 12 का स्क्वायर है 144. Okay, therefore after shifting the values we can write BC square is equals to, this 144 will be multiplied by 225, so 225 into 144 upon 81. Okay, so 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9, 14 minus 9 left 5, 54. Okay, 9 6 are 54. Okay, we got 16 now. Again 9 ones are 9, here 9 twos are 18, left 4, 22 minus 18 left 4, 4 5 45. Okay, 9 fives are 45. We have got 25 into 16. What we have got? 25 into 16. Therefore BC square is equals to 25 into 16. Okay, so 25 into 16 we have got, so we can write therefore BC is equals to under root of 25 into 16. ओके, रूट ऑफ 25, 25 का रूट क्या है 5 है, इंटू 16 का रूट क्या है 4 है. ओके, सो वी हैव गॉट बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू 5 इंटू 4 एंड 5 इंटू 4 इज नथिंग बट 20. So we got the value of BC is equals to 20 centimeter. Hence, the corresponding side of a bigger triangle has the dimension of 20 centimeter for the dimension of 12. Okay, so this is the required answer. Now the remaining questions of the practice set 1.4 is going to be a homework. Okay, goodbye.